Hi third graders, today we are going to be working on identifying polygons. That means finding them and determining which ones are polygons and drawing polygons. You will know you are successful when you can identify and draw them. So it's the application of what you have learned. So a polygon, it is a shape with at least 3 sides and at least 3 angles. I'm thinking to myself, I can think of a polygon that has 3 sides and 3 angles, and I see that one here. That is the fewest number of sides it could have. Could you make a polygon if you just use 2 sides? No, it must be bigger than that. It could go up to 20, maybe even more sides, but the ones that we will use are just going to be probably between 3 and 10 sides and the same number of angles. Regular versus irregular, okay? Regular versus ir, that's a prefix, not regular, okay? Regular means equal size sides and angles. So this side length is the same as this side length. That makes it regular because all of the sides are the same length. Angles are the same way. All of the angles in that hexagon are the same length. Over here you see another hexagon, but I'm noticing that some lines seem bigger than other lines. For example, this side seems much bigger than this side. Oh, sorry about that wavy line. Let me try that again. On this side. So that means that this is irregular. It's not our typical shape, okay? These are the ones that we will see most often, those regular shapes, because they are the ones that we can identify most quickly. This shape over here is still a hexagon, however, because it still has 6 sides, just not regular. So, a triangle. It is a 3-sided figure. Sometimes triangles may look like we expect them to. Sometimes they'll be tipped upside down. They'll be long or skinny or big or small. They can look all different ways, but they will have 3 sides and 3 angles as well. That should be a review for us. Let's keep going. A pentagon is a 5-sided figure, okay? So I see over here, remember, always mark where you're starting. 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. This is a regular pentagon because they are the same length sides and the same angles. I'm looking on the right and I see different pentagons in the real world. Okay, this is not a regular pentagon, but it still has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. On the soccer ball, the pentagon is right here, as it has 5 sides. All of the black parts are pentagons, and then this flower is a really unique pentagon that is in the real world. Pentagons. This is a fun little extra that I threw in here for you drawing a pentagon. If you want to draw a pentagon, you should start with a star. If you can draw a star, that's what it might look like. After you draw a star, start connecting the edges. You will connect the edges all the way around, and then just erase the star, and you will have drawn a pentagon. That was just a fun little fact to throw in. Let's keep going. A hexagon. Hexa is another prefix, and hexa means 6, a 6-sided figure. So if I start counting, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, okay? Every 6-sided figure will be called a hexagon. Here is an example of a hexagon. This washer is a hexagon. And also on a soccer ball, all of the white parts of the soccer ball are hexagons. So every soccer ball is made up of hexagons and pentagons. A heptagon is a 7-sided figure. Hept is our prefix here, and that means 7. These are really important things to memorize, third graders. Heptagon means 7. As we count around, this will be a 7-sided figure, and we might see this in a pillbox that says Sunday through Saturday because there are 7 days in the week. So there's an example of that. Now we have an octagon. An octagon is an 8-sided figure. I'm noticing a little friend up on the right that might help me think of what octa means, 8. Okay, octagon. Octagons are all stop signs and some red circling rings are also octagons. Nonagon, okay? Nonagon. It is a 9, notice the N for 9, sided figure, okay? This is a picture of the bottom of a cup showing a 9-sided figure. Decagon. A decagon is a 10-sided figure. I'm thinking of the word decade or decimal. Those always mean 10. That is another prefix, remember, comes at the beginning of a word. Decagon is a 10-sided figure. I don't see many decagons in the real world. Can you think of any? If you can, let us know. All right, third graders, that was our quick intro to polygons, okay? I'm just going to flip through the slides again from the beginning so that you can identify them and think through the things that we talked about. And then when you finish re-watching this little end bit, then you may move on to what is next. All right, that's the end of our review, third graders. If you are still confused, please go back and watch or ask questions. Hope you have a great rest of your day.